Hello everyone! I would like to show you how to play on the piano the Godfather's Love Theme. It's a beautiful composition by Nino Rota and it's not difficult. First I will show you how to play it with both hands and then I will teach you very slowly how to play the right hand, the left hand and how to play them together. So that's how this composition sounds. Okay, so that's how it sounds, and the way you play it, it's really easy because in your left hand you will have just 3 passages like that repeat in the main melody. So I believe we will start with the left hand, but later on you will play it, of course, together like that. But first let's start with the left hand. The first figure is like this: C with the 5th, G with the 2nd, C with the 1st, and E flat with the 2nd finger. So that's the first figure. Then a similar figure, but you start on F with the 5th, C with the 2nd, F with the 1st, and A flat with the 2nd finger. And again the figure starting on a C, but also you have the first on a G later on, and the note G is kept longer. So 2 measures for the left hand are like that: figure from C, then from F, and again starting from the note C and the note G at the end. Then 2 figures starting from C and 1 starting, or 2 starting from F, but with additional C note at the end. So you have 1 figure like this and we repeat it once again. Then the figure starting on C with additional note G, and then just the last 2 measures of the main theme, which are the passages starting from G. So you have G with the 5th, B but with the 3rd, D with the 2nd, and F with the 1st. We repeat it twice, and the figure from C that you know. So C, G, C, E flat, and just to finish the main theme we play C with the 3rd finger. And in fact that's all part of the left hand for the main theme. So let me repeat it from the beginning. We have the figure from C, then F, C again with the note G, then the figure C, played twice, and the figure from F with additional note C, we played twice, then the figure from C with additional note G, and then passages from G repeated, and the last figure from C, but with additional note C to finish this main theme. So please stop the video and practice the left hand, and when you are ready, just come back and I will show you now the right hand, which is like this. We have G with the first, C with the second, E flat with the fourth, D with the third, C with the second, E flat with the third, the fourth finger, then C with the second, D with the fourth, C with the third, A flat with the first, B flat with the second, and the note G. Let me repeat it. We have this main theme. And in fact we repeat it with some difference at the end. So let's repeat and I will show you the difference. So we play as before up till this moment of the note C with the third, because then we play the note G with the first, F sharp with the second finger, and F with the first. So we have this kind of going down. Then we have two passages like this, which means we play F with the first, A flat with the second, B with the third, D with the fifth. Next we have three C, the same notes, but the fifth is on C. And next we play first on C, the second on E flat, the fifth on B flat, the fourth on A flat, G, B flat, A flat repeated twice, G repeated twice, then we have B and the note C at the end of this main theme. Let me repeat these last two measures. So just practice yourself, and when you are ready with the left hand, with the right hand, just come back to this video. I will show you now how to play together. So we start just with 3 notes of the right hand, and then the left hand comes in. So the left hand on C, on F, and on C again. The left hand is kept and we play 3 notes of the right hand. The left hand on C again. Now on F. And the left hand is kept on C and we play 3 notes in the right hand. Now the left hand on F, starting on F, with additional note C, and 3 notes in the right hand. Then the left hand on C, and G is kept, and we play the right hand. And now both hands together. Congratulations compositions because you've done a lot. It's more than half of this composition. What is left is just 4 measures of different melody, I would say, which will sound like this. And so on. Let me show you the left hand for this part. The left hand is quite easy because we have similar figures, just starting in different on different notes. The first one is like this. So you have the 3rd finger that is repeated, played once every 2nd note. So it will be like B flat with the 5th, the 3rd on D, the 1st on F, again a D, then the 1st on a B flat, D again, then F with the 1st finger and D again with the 3rd finger. So this is the figure we will be playing. And then very similar figure, but starting on E flat. So we have E flat with the 5th, G with the 3rd, B flat with the 1st, G again, E flat with the 1st, G again, and B flat with the 1st and G again. Then we have similar figures starting on F with the 5th, then we have A flat with the 3rd, C with the 1st, A flat again, F with the 1st, A flat again, C with the 1st and A flat again. And the last figure is on G, then we have the 3rd on a B, the 1st on D, the 3rd on a B again, and the last note is G with the 1st. So that's the left hand. Let me repeat it. So the first figure starting on a B flat, and just practice yourself. Then the 2nd figure on E flat, the next one on F, and the last figure on G, but this is shorter. We just finish on G. And the right hand for this part is, we play a C with the 4th twice, then we have B with the 3rd and the B flat with the 2nd, D with the 5th, C with the 4th, A flat with the 2nd and G with the 1st. Then we have G with the 2nd, B flat with the 4th, G with the 2nd and F with the 1st one, and F with the 1st one, A flat with the 3rd, then we have F sharp, which is this black key, with the 2nd, and G with the 1st. Let me repeat the right hand. So just practice the right hand and then come back to the video. I will show you how to play them together. So we start with 3 notes played separately by the right hand, and then both hands on a B flat. Just practice this part, because now we will go on and I will show you the next part, which is just the main theme from the beginning, just with different ending, but we play just as we played at the beginning of this composition. play B flat with the fifth finger. That's the sign that there will be slight difference. The left hand will be the same, so we will be having these figures, but the right hand will be a bit different with different fingers. So we play A flat with the third, G with the first, B flat with the third, A flat with the second, A flat repeated, G with the first, also repeated. Then we have B with the second, and there will be C with the third finger, and the left hand will be playing C as well, here at the bottom, and then C with the first finger, G with the second, E flat with the third, and the note C with the fifth finger. And in fact, that's the end of this composition. I will play it just from the beginning very, very slowly, so that you could rehearse and just practice yourself. So that was the Godfather's Love Theme. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, as it was not difficult. So thank you very much.